This Reddit topic has been causing a lot of outrage. So Reddit users 4 seconds has shared articles stating that a lot of current phone manufacturers are pretty much using ODMs in order to design budget and mid-range phones. He talks about 5 big ODMs from China that are responsible for about 85% of all ODM designs for phone manufacturers. And what you guys need to know is that it's not just one brand or the other. Almost every big manufacturer has been using their services in order to optimize and design smartphones within the budget and mid-range segments, but of course to varying degrees. So companies such as Xiaomi, for example, Oppo, Realme lineup, and even Samsung and LG, and definitely Nokia has been using their services. But what does that actually mean? So for a start, ODM means original design manufacturer. These are companies that are in charge of designing smartphones and making sure that all the components work correctly for that smartphone. So things such as the component drivers and even some of the camera algorithms are some of the things that they take care of. And since they're in charge of the development of the drivers and making sure all the components work correctly, this also means that technically they also affect the time it takes to update smartphones. They need to ensure that all their components can work with the new update, which just adds a bit to the development time of software updates. Anyways, what I want to share with you guys is that this isn't really a deal breaker or even a big deal. Think of it as ordering a pizza with the same dough, but then you get to choose the toppings. And yeah, everyone is using the same dough, but toppings can really make or break how good a pizza is. In this case, the dough manufacturer is very experienced in making very cost-effective and good component designs, so it helps you save money. What I'm trying to say is, so far, HMD's Nokia phones have been almost universally praised for their design and hardware build quality. For me as a user, that's a lot more important than the logistics of who's behind specific things. And naturally, they do have a saying over the overall design and the materials used and the colors chosen. The way a lot of these Chinese companies work is that they give you exactly what you order. So they can build you the best thing in the world if you pay for it, or the worst thing in the world if you want to use the cheapest thing possible. It just depends on what you choose and how much you pay for it. Don't get me wrong, HMD has 99 problems, but I think design isn't one of them. Not that there isn't a huge room for improvement, of course. I would personally love to have a Fabula design comeback, for example. Rumor has it that they don't want the designs to be associated with Windows Phone, but I think we're way past that point where consumers can be confused. Any consumer ignorance about Nokia phones these days is strictly their fault. And Fabula smartphone designs were, in my opinion, peak smartphone design. The perfect balance between uniqueness, style, durability, and build quality. Please give us more of that. Anyways, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.